Use biological controls during new home construction to reduce long-term pest pressure around foundations and landscaping. Start by planning site grading and planting to favor beneficial organisms and reduce pest habitat by keeping mulch away from foundation walls and choosing diverse native plants that support predators. Apply beneficial nematodes to moist soil around foundations and planting beds to target grubs, fungus, gnat larvae, and other soil-dwelling pests. Dilute the product per label rates, water in thoroughly, and time applications to cooler parts of the day to preserve nematode viability. Introduce predatory insects, such as lacewings for aphids and minute pirate bugs for thrips, by releasing adults near infested plants and providing flowering plants that supply nectar and pollen so they persist. Install bat and bird houses at recommended heights and locations to encourage insectivores that reduce mosquitoes and night-flying pests while avoiding placement too close to living areas. Avoid using broad-spectrum pesticides that kill beneficial nematodes and insects, and instead use targeted, least toxic options only when monitoring indicates thresholds have been exceeded. Combine biological controls with habitat management, moisture control, and regular monitoring, and consult your local extension service for species recommendations and timing specific to your region. Homeowners often expect instant elimination and become impatient, but biological controls work best as part of a long-term plan. Be patient and monitor pest levels weekly to decide if supplemental measures are needed. A common mistake is overwatering, which reduces nematode survival and creates favorable conditions for pests. Reduce irrigation near foundations and water deeply and infrequently. People also apply pesticides that kill beneficials. Avoid broad-spectrum sprays and spot treat only with selective products when necessary. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and connect with others about projects and strategies like biological pest control for new home construction. Our community discussion area lets us share experiences, ask questions, and learn from neighbors, while contractors use the site to find work and showcase their services.